Hey everyone, tired of Microsoft Edge constantly nagging you to switch to Google Chrome? Let me show you how to turn off those annoying suggestions. Alright, so first, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Look at the top right corner and click those three dots menu. From that menu, click Settings to open Edge's settings page. On the left side, you'll see a bunch of menu options. Click Privacy, Search, and Services. This opens up privacy-related settings on the right side. Now, scroll down a bit on that right side until you see Services section. Look for Address Bar and Search and click on that. This opens another menu. Find Search and Connected Experiences and click on that, or you'll find the Search and Connected Experiences option directly on the Privacy, Search, and Services. Okay, now click Address Bar and Search again. Yeah, the navigation here is a bit nested, I know. Look for Search Suggestions and Filters and click that. Here's the setting you want. You'll see Show Search and Site Suggestions using your typed characters. It's probably toggled on right now. Click that toggle to turn it off. When it's gray or switched to the left, that means it's disabled. And boom, that's it. Edge will stop suggesting you switch to Chrome or showing you those annoying prompts when you're searching. Now you can use Edge in peace without constant interruptions asking if you want to switch browsers. And that's it. Quick and easy way to disable those Chrome switch suggestions in Microsoft Edge.